Hello, hi, you're watching Gadget Times. It's me, Pavni Jain, and in today's video, I'm going to show you the newly launched Nikon ZF mirrorless camera. Well, it's a full-frame camera which also boasts 24.5 BSI CMOS sensor. साथ में इसमें जो आपको प्रोसेसर मिलता है, that is what you get in Z8 and Z9 as well. It is Expeed 7 प्रोसेसर. इसके अलावा आपको मिलता है इसमें इम्प्रूव्ड ऑटोफोकस, आपको मिलता है 9 सब्जेक्ट डिटेक्शन, कैट्स, डॉग्स, पेट्स, ह्यूमंस, airplanes and stuff like that. और साथ में आपको मिलते हैं some AI driven features, for instance skin softening as well as portrait impression balance. बात करेंगे इसके वीडियो कैपेबिलिटीज की. This camera is able to shoot 4K at 60 FPS and also at 30 FPS, which is actually the oversampling from 6K videos. इसके अलावा आप इसमें शूट कर सकते हैं Full HD videos at 120 FPS to create all the slow motion videos as well. बर्स्ट मोड की बात करें तो कैमरा शूट कर सकता है 14 FPS. In terms of the design, this looks very usual in comparison to the previous model. हालांकि यहाँ पर बॉडी पे आपको एक टेक्सचर डिजाइन मिलता है which looks really nice and premium. इसके अलावा आपको मिल जाता है fully articulated screen. It's made of magnesium alloy and to protect the sensor, you also get a protective fluorine coating as well. For the price, this camera starts at rupees 1,76,995. That is the price of the camera body. साथ में अगर आपको किट लेंस लेना है या फिर कोई और लेंस के साथ इसको पेयर करना है तो उसकी कॉस्टिंग एडिशनल है. Let me know in the comment box what do you think of its design, of the pricing and everything that you get to learn in this video. Now you guys know the drill. Like, share and subscribe. Gadget Time for more such videos.